The invoice entry icon is used to invoice a previously shipped order. This icon requires that a shipment has first been produced. Let's recall the shipment that was posted just a moment ago. Because the majority of the fields are identical to those found within the order entry and shipment icons, we will not cover all of them here. We will only cover those fields that are unique to the invoice processing routine. The invoice entry icon is also used to recall a previously posted invoice by entering or selecting the invoice number. Although the invoice cannot be changed, the detail lines can be reviewed. For new invoices, leave the invoice number at the default of new, so Accpac will create the next sequential invoice number. Enter or select the shipment number to be invoiced. The drill icon can be used to drill into the specific details of the shipment, which may or may not be the same detail lines as originally entered on the sales order or shipment if partial invoicing has already occurred. To convert two or more existing shipments to the same invoice, click the From Multiple Shipments checkbox, similar to the From Multiple Orders option discussed earlier in the shipment entry window. Or select a single shipment by entering or selecting the shipment number. If multiple shipments are going to be merged on one invoice, Accpac merges each detail line from each shipment and lists them one after the other in the details section of the invoice. And then, just like entering a shipment, indicate which item quantities are to be invoiced by entering a value in the quantity invoiced field. Although new item details are unable to be added, obviously because the items have already been shipped, miscellaneous charges can be added. Therefore, the shipping department can inform the accounting office of the exact shipping or handling charge expense, say a $25 handling fee, so the customer can be billed accordingly. The remaining fields are identical to those found on orders and invoices. When the invoice is complete, verify the invoice totals to make sure the amounts are correct, as well as enter or check for any tax or discount calculations, and then post the invoice. Order entry will prompt to print the invoice. Invoices can be printed individually or saved until later, where they can be printed all at once, possibly at the end of the day. Accpac comes with several versions of printed invoice templates. Using Crystal Reports, you can adjust the look of any of the provided invoice formats or create your own from scratch.
Let's take a look at credit debit note entry.